Hi friends, let's do a phonics warm-up. Go along with me as you see the letters on the screen. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, Ah. P, pan, P. Q, queen, Qu. R, rat, R. S, snake, S. S, bugs, Z. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, box, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. CH, chin, Ch. CK, sock, K. SH, ship, Sh. TH, thumb, F. WH, whistle, W. Excellent job. Let's review. Our new digraph this week is CK, sock, K. And remember, CK is different from the letter C or the letter K because it will always be at the end of a word, right after a short vowel, like in the word sock, luck, sick, back, peck. Let's do our vowels. A, apple. E, ed. I, itch. O, octopus. U, up. All right, here comes those trickster words yet again. Don't let them trick you. And, a, and, tried to trick you there. The, of, as, has, is, his, to, into. Our new ones for Monday: we, he, she, be, and me. Our new ones for today: or and for. Not the number 4. Okay, it's writing time. I know you're excited. Woohoo! All right, go grab pencil and paper. You have 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Pencil and paper. Hopefully you have it right there with you. Hurry! Your time is halfway over. Pencil and paper. And something to lean on. Ding, ding, ding. Time's up and it's writing time. All right, try your best and listen carefully. We're going to start off with sounds. Please write the letters that make this sound. Ch, ch. Next, write the letters that make this sound. Shh. Lastly, write the letters that make this sound. Now, pat yourself on the back for good work and let's check our answers. Ch. Shh. Hooray! All right, we're back to writing again. Try your best and listen carefully. This time we're writing words. On your paper, write the word lock. L-A-C-K. Lock. Next, write the word fish. F-I-Sh. Lastly, write the word thud. Th-U-D. Thud. Again, pat yourself on the back for all of that hard spelling. Now let's check our answers. Lock, fish, thud. Hooray! All right, last words. This time they're trick words, so try your best and listen carefully. On your paper, write the word we. We. Next, write the word his. His. And last, write the word or. Or. And pat yourself on the back. Those words didn't trick you. Let's check our answers. We, his, or. Hooray! Let's review our word family of the week. Our word family this week is an. An. Remember, word families or rhyming words are words that end with the same sound. So words that end with an are in the word family an, just like fan, an, pan, an, ban, an, can, an, ran, an, tan, an, man, an, and van, an. So every single one of those words, because it's in the word family an, has an at the end. And it's their beginning letter that is different. Good work, guys. Make sure you do your phonics assignment next.